Do you conduct regular performance reviews with your team? Because they're an important part of managing any business, as it allows you to assess employee performance and provide feedback to help them to improve. So, here are a quick few steps that you can take that will help you to conduct regular performance reviews for your business. So, firstly, define the performance criteria. Define them specifically so that employees know what they're being evaluated against. I mean, that can be both quantitative and qualitative measures, so such as sales targets, customer satisfaction ratings, teamwork, skills, etc. Schedule these reviews in regularly. Ideally, you want them monthly, but at least quarterly and certainly annually. And make sure employees are aware of the timing of these meetings so that they have enough time to prepare for it. Gather feedback from multiple sources. It's not just your own observations that matter, but also get feedback from other sources such as customers, colleagues, and subordinates, and other people within your team. That'll give you a much more complete picture of an employee's performance. When you're conducting the review meeting, go over the employee's performance against the defined criteria that you would have set up at the beginning of the year or when they joined, and discuss both strengths and areas for improvements, and ideally provide specific examples of both. Particularly when you're giving some constructive feedback on something they can improve on, give them the example where you've observed it so they can think back about what happened in that particular instance and come up with ideas of how they can do things differently in the future. And you want to encourage the employee as well to share their thoughts and their ideas during this review meeting. Then looking forward, you want to set goals for improvement. So based on that review, set those goals for improvement that are SMART, so specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. And these goals should be aligned with the overall goals of the business. So the other thing as well is follow up on progress. Check in regularly with the employee. So if you're having a monthly review, check in, every couple of days, but informally have that discussion and just let them know how they're getting on, give them that feedback, ensure they're progressing towards their goals, and give them support as needed to help them achieve their objectives. And remember that performance reviews should be that collaborative process between the employee and the manager, and should focus on improving performance rather than simply identifying areas of weakness. With a clear process in place, regular performance reviews can help your business stay on track and achieve its goals.